Hi everybody, Ellen Canner here. With mushrooms, with lentils, some of my favorite foods that are actually wonderful for us. Lentils are high in protein and fiber, mushrooms in amino acids keep our body balanced and our mood up. Also what makes my mood lift are walnuts, my very favorite nut. And as nice as these foods are, they take a slightly naughty spin with what we're going to do with them today. We're going to start sauteing the mushrooms, but first in go some cloves of garlic and some scallions. We've got scallions and beets coming later, so we've got a nice Christmassy red-green thing. This recipe is called foie gras, and it's Chef Alexis Gautier from Gautier Soho in London. I had this recipe when we had a splurge of a holiday dinner with some friends, and the whole thing was so much fun. And the one dish I remember was this pate. In go our mushrooms, a little soy sauce. You could also use liquid aminos. Now I'm adding some nice fresh herbs, which I was fortunate enough to take right from my garden. We have some sage. We have a little rosemary, because that's all my rosemary has produced right now, and some fresh thyme leaves. I'll let that cook in with everything till the mushrooms get tender. Well, it did not take long for the mushrooms to cook down. They are gorgeous and fragrant. And this pate, which I had before at Gautier, it just tastes like celebration. So if you are having a holiday party, this is the thing. It's just a little fancy, but it's got really basic foods in it. I think that's what makes it so fun. Once your mushrooms are done and are cooling, I'm not letting mine cool very much. Listen to what I say, not what I do. You add the lentils to a food processor and try and keep most of them in the bowl. I had a couple runaways. The beets, and not even very much beets. My husband gets a little clutchy around beets. We're only talking a couple tablespoons. In they go. Half a cup of walnuts and the mushroom. As you can see, they have not cooled entirely, but we're going to just go ahead and do it. That's the kind of day I'm having. And now I'm going to give this a blitz. And a little bit of cognac. Not very much, just a splash. Some more olive oil. And give it a stir so everything combines. You will not taste a lot of beet in this, but it does bring up a little color and flavor. I am just sprinkling in a little sea salt, some pepper, and this is a case where texture matters as much as taste. I can tell you, the taste is fantastic, but you want it really smooth and velvety. So give it a good blitz and you'll be done. So you can serve it in a pretty ramekin or something like this. I will tell you, it is awesome now, but it's best if you let it chill for a little bit. You can seal it up real nice. And it does make a very festive thing. It's not chopped liver, it's not foie gras, it's just delicious. It's the taste of celebration. So, do celebrate, people. Till next time, this is Ellen Canner. Thanks, bye-bye.